Hey, lots of funnels for clients, also to help them drive leads, grow their membership base. I've worked with yoga studios, gyms, dog trainers, dog sitters, currently working mostly with doctors, and I have worked with the dentist in the past, but the focus is still the same, building funnels, generating leads. And on the membership side, at first I was a little, intimidated by it because I had never built a membership site before. Actually, I take that back. I have used some of the larger brand names that are strictly focused on membership sites, and there was almost too much going on there for me and for my purposes. But once I used the membership site builder for the first time, I realized how simple and easy it is to use. And what's great about the ClickFunnels membership site is that everything is drag and drop, just like the basic ClickFunnels editor. The main thing that you need to understand is that you have a membership portal and you have the membership portal account. So the membership portal account is always going to be the step above, typically is going to be the step above the portal. And this is where people are going to sign in after they have purchased. Now, a nice thing is you can set up an order page like you see here, but you can also set up just a simple landing page and give away the course for free, and then use different sections of the course as a paid feature. For example, let's say if I'm offering like a free training, hey, try my free 1 week training on such and such, and then for them to open up the other weeks or the advanced features, they would then need to pay. So those features would be locked, which is really cool. Also, you can drip out the membership site as well. So when people sign up, I can set up the membership portal area, which is where all the documentation, everything is held. And I can go in and edit different lessons and set those up to drip delay. So how many days do I want them to delay? And this will delay after they sign up. So it'll start for each user. And then you can spend required time. So if you want to follow the stats, there's a stat feature within the membership site area where you can make sure people are completing the steps in the courses, which is a great way to hold people accountable, especially if you're doing a paid course and you're offering a refund. What I like to do is say, we do provide a full 30-day refund if you have completed all steps in the training. So it's a great way to keep a track of people and hold them accountable and make sure they're doing what they say they're going to do. You can also set a release date, so you can do early sign up where you might give a bonus at half off and then release the actual information at a later time. Also within the feature, it is super simple to just open up a section. In each section, there's lessons underneath, okay? So one section might be week 1, another section might be week 2, and under those sections, you'll have the various lessons. And it's just like editing within any other funnel. You have your columns, your rows. So blue is rows, green are columns. Here's your elements in orange. And this is where you can add videos, your heading, paragraphs. If you want it to be a text, you can add audio. You can also add in, progress bars, your own custom script. So you can do a lot of good stuff here. Another great feature I really like to do is in some of mine, I like to add a button underneath, which has a call to action. So after the video, I might require them to click here to do something else, or I might use it for an affiliate link. So if I'm explaining something within the video, like a tool that I use, I would say, hey, I use this great tool. If you'd like to try it out, you can click on the link below. So it's a great way to use the membership site as a free resource to get people into your funnel, into your world, and then you can get some affiliate sales on the back end. And it's really all, it's drag and drop. If I want to move things up and down, I can do that. I can go and change within here. If I want to change this under a different section, I can do that. So pretty straightforward. And then when you open in the main editor, this is your main membership design. So with here, I love this because it's super simple. You can do just like you can do in all the traditional funnels. You can add logos, images, everything you want to do here. You can change the color and the layout. If I want everything to be, more of a gray, and if I want these to be, obviously, if I want to change the button. So you can play around with the different features. Now, you also have the option within ClickFunnels Marketplace to get pre-built funnels as well. And you can build a membership site super easy within ClickFunnels. So if you go to Funnels and you go to Build a Funnel, now I'm just going to start with a classic funnel builder. I'm just going to choose Collect Emails, Membership Test. I know I spelled it wrong, but this is for the video purposes here. And then you can see here how simply it is to put it together. So my opt-in going to be, like a basic opt-in email page, right? Where I will say, hey, welcome to such and such. If you want to get this membership here, so I can use any of these templates to then add the opt-in. And then what's great is once they opt in, I can simply go to here, add my order form. Okay, and I can choose from these various order forms because I want it to be a paid course. And then I would add that to the step in the funnel. And then I just simply go to here. And when I do a membership, the main thing is you want to have the access area. This is very basic. You don't need it to be anything fancy. You can jazz it up as much as you want. This is where they log in, put in their password. And then I would have my membership area. These are some basic layouts. You can get more detailed layouts in the ClickFunnels Marketplace, which is here. But really all you need to set up a membership site is the access and the membership. And obviously you have a landing page. And that's it. And then start building and adding your videos. And you can use links from your YouTube. You can use links from Vimeo, whatever you want to do. You can create it as a membership site or as a class. But I love it. It is super easy to use. You can literally get a membership site set up in under an hour, as long as you have all your, your content ready to go. That's it. Drag and drop, copy your URLs, and you're ready to go. So I love it. It's a great way to generate leads. It's a great way to sell products and services. And obviously start a membership site, and you can also charge people a one-time fee, or you can set it up on the back end where it is a monthly fee. So using PayPal or Stripe, which you can integrate very easily within the membership site. You can also integrate your autoresponder to send out reminders to make sure that they're following along with the course. So you have all this, all the different tools and bells and whistles you would ever need to build a very beautiful and powerful membership site within ClickFunnels. I hope you enjoy that. I am an affiliate for ClickFunnels, so I will put a link below for a 14-day free trial. If you sign up, awesome. Thank you. It helps me out, keeps my channel going. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I hope you enjoyed it.